Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet a beautiful leaf sprout hair clip in a very simple and easy way. So let's get started. These are the materials you're gonna need. For this crochet project, I'll be using yarn from this brand, Susan's Family 5, with a 2.5mm crochet hook. Now we're gonna make the base. We're gonna start with a slip knot. After making a slip knot, make 10 chains. For the row 1, start from the second chain from the hook. Insert your hook into the second chain and make a single crochet. We're gonna mark this first stitch with a stitch marker. And continue making one single crochet in each chain until you have a total of 8 single crochets. We already made one, so make 7 more. So I've finished 8 single crochets, and there is only one chain left. We are gonna make 3 single crochets into the last chain. After making 3 single crochets in the last chain, we're gonna turn our piece and crochet into the lower part of the chains. Do not crochet into the stitch that we made 3 single crochets, instead, crochet into the next stitch. Now we're gonna insert our hook into the stitch next to the last chain and make 1 single crochet. Then insert your hook into the next stitch and make 1 single crochet again. So just like this, make 1 single crochet in each stitch until you have 7 single crochets in total, counting after the 3 single crochet cluster. Now I've finished making 7 single crochets in the lower part, and there will be 1 last stitch left. We're gonna make an increase in the last stitch. An increase means we make 2 single crochets into the same stitch. So make 2 single crochets into the last stitch. And then, to complete round 1, we're gonna make a slip stitch into the first stitch. And round 1 is finished. To start round 2, we're gonna chain 1. In the first stitch, we're gonna make 1 increase. Mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. After making 1 increase, we're gonna make a total of 7 single crochets. After making 7 single crochets, we're gonna make 3 increases. It means we make 1 increase in each of the next 3 stitches. After making 3 increases, we're gonna make a total of 7 single crochets again. After 7 single crochets, there will be 2 stitches left. We're gonna make 1 increase into each. To complete round 2, we're gonna make a slip stitch into the first stitch. Then, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now we're gonna change to white yarn. Get the white yarn ready to change. Insert your hook into the first stitch of round 2, or into any stitch in that round. Then place the white yarn on top of the hook, and pull it through. And now we're gonna make round 3, first chain 1. For round 3, we're gonna make crab stitches all the way around. To do a crab stitch, insert your hook into the next stitch to the right, like this. Then yarn over, and pull through. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. And you've made 1 crab stitch. We're gonna repeat by moving your hook to the next stitch to the right and doing the same steps. So insert your hook into the next stitch to the right. Then yarn over, and pull through. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. And continue making 1 crab stitch in each stitch all the way around. Now I'm at the end of round 3. And we're gonna insert your hook into the stitch where we made chain 1 and make 1 crab stitch. Then go into the first crab stitch and make another crab stitch. And you can cut the yarn here. And weave in the yarn tail like this. And now we've finished making the base. Now we're gonna make the leaf sprout. First make a slip knot. After making a slip knot, we're gonna chain 8. Now prepare a piece of 0.5 mm wire about 16 centimeters long, and bend it like this. We will crochet with the wire in this round. Now skip the first chain, and insert your hook into the second chain. Then yarn over, and pull through. Now grab the wire, and place it on top of the working yarn, and under your hook like this. Then yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook to complete a single crochet. And next we're gonna make 1/2 double crochet in the next chain. To make a half double crochet, yarn over, then insert your hook into the next chain. And make sure to place the hook under the wire like this. Then yarn over and pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And you've made a half double crochet. After that, in the next 3 chains, we're gonna make 1 double crochet in each chain. To make a double crochet, yarn over, then insert your hook into the next chain. And make sure to place the hook under the wire. Yarn over and pull through. So now you have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. I've made 1 double crochet. So just like this, continue making 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 chains. After making a total of 3 double crochets, we're gonna make a half double crochet in the next chain. And now we have 1 last chain left. We're gonna make 3 single crochets into this last chain. After making 3 single crochets in the same chain, now turn your work and crochet into the lower part of the chains. Do not crochet into this stitch. This is the stitch where we made 3 single crochets. Instead, crochet into the stitch next to the last chain. Now make 1/2 double crochet in the stitch I showed you previously. So yarn over, then insert your hook into the next stitch. And place your hook underneath the wire and put the yarn tail over the hook like this. We will carry the yarn tail along. Then yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And next, in the next 3 stitches, make 1 double crochet in each stitch, and keep carrying the yarn tail. After making 3 double crochets, make 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch. And in the last stitch, make 1 single crochet. Then, insert your hook into the first stitch and make a slip stitch. Then, chain 1. And cut the yarn, leaving about a 15 centimeters tail. And cut the leftover yarn on the back of the leaf. And we've finished making the first leaf. We're gonna make another leaf just like this one. And now we're gonna combine the 2 leaves to create a sprout. Hold both leaves together and wrap the yarn around all the wires for about 1 centimeter. Once you've wrapped about 1 centimeter, divide the 4 wires into 2 pairs. Then wrap the yarn around each pair. And you can make a knot just like I'm doing here. We're gonna do the same for the other pair. And the leaf sprout is finished. Now we're gonna insert the leaf sprout into the center of the base. Then bend the sprout like this. Now we're gonna use hot glue and attach it to the hair clip base. I'm using a 5.5 centimeters hair clip base for this project. Apply some hot glue along the center line of the base. Then attach the hair clip base to it. So now we've just finished making our beautiful leaf sprout hair clip. I hope this tutorial was simple and easy enough for you to follow. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and happy crocheting.